Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm really excited. I'm doing my very first collaboration with my friend Jill Maurer. You guys know Jill. She is a jewelry designer. She is a wonderful YouTuber and a really good friend. So I asked her to do this collaboration with me and she said yes. So this is our first collaboration together and I'm really excited. If by any chance you are not familiar with Jill, I will link her channel in the description box below. Okay, so the name of this collaboration is 5 Things That YouTubers Do That Drive Me Crazy. So I've been on YouTube for about 2 years with my channel, but before that, probably 2 years before that, I was watching videos. And we all have our favorites, and some people, their personalities, you really fall in love with them, and some not so much. There are some YouTubers that I watch really because of the content. I'm not really crazy about their personality or the way they talk or things like that, but sometimes I will watch them just to see what they unbox. But we all have our favorites. What bothers me may not bother you and vice versa. So let me get started. The number one thing that YouTubers do, not all YouTubers, but YouTubers who do this, it drives me crazy. I was watching a really pretty young lady the other day and she was doing an unboxing, and not long into the video she started using the F word, and that is such a turn off. I just don't find that necessary, and I've seen other YouTubers curse a lot during their videos, and I just feel like that is just in poor taste, because there's a lot of young girls who probably watch these videos and they, maybe dream about having some of the things that we unbox, and I just don't think that's being a very good role model. We're not really here to be a role model, but at the same time, why use profanity? I don't feel that there's any room for profanity in what we're talking about. We're talking about Louis Vuitton, we're talking about Gucci, we're talking about Chanel. So YouTubers that use profanity, especially the F word, I just can't stand it and it drives me crazy. I'm really going to be interested to see what Jill has come up with, because we did not talk about this ahead of time. So I feel like the next one is very obvious, and I think it may drive a lot of you crazy too. So YouTubers who take a lot of time doing unboxings, I guess it's like they're trying to build up the suspense, and they are talking and telling you stories, and 6.5 minutes into the video they still have not opened the box, and that drives me crazy. We are all familiar with the boxes, the packaging, the information booklet, the textile cards. I mean, we don't really want to see that. I don't want to see that. I don't know anybody that really cares about the information booklet, and they'll like open it up and show it to you and show you the little cards that went with it and the receipt and the packaging. And I mean, there are some people who have not purchased luxury items and they're not really familiar with the packaging, but still I feel like they take too much time showing all of that, and it takes forever to get to the good stuff. Stop it. Really, stop it. It just drives me crazy. As I said earlier, we all have our favorite YouTubers, and I have YouTubers that I really enjoy watching, and there are 2 in particular that I have really watched for about 2 years now, and I know nothing about them. They are so secretive. It's like, if you're putting yourself on YouTube, I really do feel like the people that follow you and support you, you owe them a little something. I mean, there's a lot of stuff about me that you guys don't know, but I am pretty transparent. I do show you little bits of my everyday life. I do vlogs occasionally. I share my artwork with you, my husband. But, I do have secrets that I don't feel like I should share, but at the same time, if you're going to spend this much time with me watching my videos every week and twice a week, I feel like I owe you a little something. So there are 2 YouTubers in particular that I watch, and I really like them and I really enjoy watching them, and I will continue to watch them, but as long as I've been watching them, I really know nothing about them. And so I'm always wondering about them. What do you do? Do you work? You know, just all the basic stuff that we all want to know. I mean, what's the big deal if you say I have a job? You know, you guys know that I am a retired nurse. You guys know that I worked part-time for my husband and now I'm an artist. You guys know things like that. But there are some YouTubers that they are so secretive, you would think that they were in the witness protection program, and that drives me crazy. I mean, I really feel like you guys give us so much, and we really couldn't sit here and do this if it weren't for your support. So I feel like we put ourselves out there, so we do owe you guys a little something. And you know, I'm a YouTuber and I also like to watch other YouTubers. So I do really enjoy getting to know the people that I watch, the people that I support, the people that I enjoy. So it really drives me crazy when I've spent a couple of years watching these YouTubers and they just seem so mysterious and they don't share anything with you at all. And that just drives me crazy. I think I'm at number 4. All right, so here's another thing that YouTubers do that drive me crazy. Constant unboxings. And I'm serious. That's all they do. Every day they're unboxing a $3,000, $4,000 bag. All they do is shop. Oh, I just picked this up. It's so annoying, you guys. I mean, I think that I get more than I deserve, and you know, I've said before, our kids are grown. We are finally to a place in our life that I can splurge every now and then, but really it's so unrealistic. And I know we're a luxury community, but at the same time we're just regular people, and so I just live a regular life. And when we travel, my husband tends to spoil me, but I'm not constantly shopping. I'm not every single video doing another unboxing saying that this bag is a forever bag only to sell it the next week and buy another one. So that makes me wonder, are they really doing this? Are they really buying these bags for themselves? I mean, I've heard of YouTubers who actually buy things, unbox them, and take them back. And that drives me crazy. I think that we should be real on here. So, you know, like I said, I'm very blessed. I'm very thankful for all that I have and all that I do get in life. And I love my luxury goods. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm a normal person. And you guys, lately I've gotten quite a few things. So I've put myself on ban island. I cannot do unboxings after unboxings after unboxings and pay my electric bill. I mean, I don't know, it just drives me crazy. It just seems so unrealistic. I guess it just feels like they've lost touch with reality, because is it really normal to spend $2,500 on a bag every week or more? If it's a Chanel bag, double that, even more than double. So I feel like a lot of times it's just a false sense of reality, because I just don't know, unless you're fabulously wealthy. And there is a YouTuber that I watch. She's the daughter of a billionaire and she is fabulously wealthy and she does constant unboxings, but they're mega rich, and those are the only kind of people that I really believe. And she's very humble. So I don't know, just regular people like me, I mean, there's just no way. There is just no way that I believe it, and it drives me crazy. I saved the best one for last. The number one thing that YouTubers do that drives me crazy, and you guys, I've experienced this. It's YouTubers who are judgmental and opinionated toward other YouTubers. That's right. I've experienced it quite a bit. I don't like it. It drives me crazy. If you don't like what I'm unboxing, don't watch my videos. And you guys know that I love my luxury goods, and most of my bags are bought brand new from the boutique, except my reissue, my Chanel reissue. But I don't have any problem with buying bags from Fashion File or secondhand bags, any problem at all. But I also love a good dupe. And that's where the judgment lies. I've had other YouTubers come to me and tell me that because I have done videos on dupes that people wonder if my bags are real or authentic. You guys, my bags are real and my bags are authentic. If I tell you it's real, it's real. And I have no problems with dupes. I like dupes. And if you watched my video on my Amazon haul, you see that I have a Garden Party, an Hermes Garden Party dupe, and I love that bag. I've carried that bag probably more than all of my other luxury bags because it's so carefree and it's such a great bag, and it's $129 on Amazon, and I love that bag. And it's a Garden Party dupe. And it's my bag and I paid for it, and if you don't like it, don't watch my videos. So that drives me insane, you guys. It drives me absolutely crazy when YouTubers message you and they say little snide things to you. Just come out and say it. I mean, really, I just can't stand it. I can't stand drama on YouTube. I don't come here for that. I come here, it's an outlet for me. I've met so many friends, and everybody, or just about everybody, has been so supportive, but I have run into a few who have been quite judgmental, and it drives me crazy. So basically what I'm saying is, YouTubers who are judgmental toward other YouTubers, I can't stand it. If you don't agree with someone, just keep it to yourself or go away. That's just how I feel. So, I mean, and another thing, dupes are not fakes. Dupes are not fakes. So let me just make that perfectly clear. People seem to get really upset about dupes and fakes, and so many people don't even understand the difference. So, you know, I had someone to actually tell me that I supported child labor because I supported fakes, because I was showing dupes on my channel. That's ridiculous. But anyway, I don't want to get off on a tangent, but that is the #1 thing that some YouTubers do that drive me absolutely crazy. I just can't handle it. All right. So I didn't mention this to Jill, but I hate negativity, and I don't really like ending on a negative note. So I want to say thank you to all my fellow YouTubers and friends that I've met over the years. And there are so many things that other YouTubers do that I love, and they have done so much for me. And you guys hear me talk about Autumn all the time. She's pretty sure that I'm obsessed with her. And you guys, I am, because she is such a good friend and she's helped me so much. She doesn't ever care to tell me, you know, some tips or help me in any way. She's not competitive. And she's just so helpful. And not just Autumn, but other friends that I've met on YouTube. We all seem to support each other. We're in this community together. There's no shame in our game. We love to talk about expensive bags and all the things luxury. It's just our thing. And I just want to say thank you to all my YouTuber friends. There are so many of you that I just love so much, and that I just know that we're going to get together and hopefully do some filming together. I told Keith, I said, I've got to go to Hawaii and see Lisa. I've got to go to Houston. I've got to see Autumn. I mean, I just have such good friends. Irene, you're such a great friend. I don't know. I just have gotten so much from YouTube and other YouTubers. So I want to end on a positive note. I've loved every minute of it. I've been here this month for 2 years. But there are things about YouTubers that drive me crazy. And it's normally when I'm watching YouTube as a viewer perspective, that there's just certain things that drive me crazy. But that's all I have. And like I said, you guys, if you don't know Jill, just check her out, go to her channel and see what she had to say. She's so eloquent. I love the way she speaks. I wonder what she's come up with. I'm really curious, but she's a great friend as well. I really enjoyed doing this collaboration with you, Jill. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.